Hello everyone, I Sandeep Gautam welcomes you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I'm gonna to tell you how you can reduce your stress while you are coping with the COVID-19 pandemic. As over a billion people are confined home worldwide due to the coronavirus, that is the COVID-19 pandemic. We face unprecedented challenges, anxious times, health, work, family and so on. With anxiety comes stress, as everyone knows about it. In this very unusual and difficult circumstances, it's become more important to safeguard one's mental health to reduce the stress. Right thoughts, right outlook, right mindset are needed to keep this stress-free environment and keep the stress and tension away. So today I'm gonna to tell you how you can reduce these negative thoughts in this COVID-19 pandemic. Negative thoughts and worrying about the future is not going to help out of the problem. We make the future use of the present situation as it is. Using the present well leads to a better future and avoid unhelpful stress. Psychiatrists and other mental health experts recommend many more things or various ways to combat this stress. So I'm going to tell you one by one how you can remove this stress. Like first is eat healthy. Definitely. If you will eat healthy, then definitely you will think more positive. Stress and anxiety can affect eating habits and vice versa. There can be a tendency to overeat or not eat enough. Have a balanced meal. Every time you have to take the balanced meal. As we are spending more times indoor at home, so eating moderately is unnecessary to avoid becomes overweight. So care has to be taken that continuous eating does not become unhealthy. It will increase stress and anxiety. So eating right help keep the mind alert and healthy. And the second point, maintain the social connectivity or the social distance. So social distance have to be maintained. So also social connectivity in these uncertain times, connecting with others, phone, emails, online chats, Facebook and other social media becomes important to reduce one's own stress as well as help others to not feel isolated. But it should be in the positive way. You are not supposed to spread the wrong or the negative videos or the thoughts to the persons. And the third point, which is very important, avoid overexposure to the news media. It's very important because most of the time we are in the home and we are seeing the news. So at the same time, avoid overexposure to the media to such of a bad news can worsen stress. Sitting all day in the front of the TV and exposed to the coronavirus news increase anxiety and cause depression. So get sufficient sleep and the rest. Ensure you get the right amount of the sleep, particularly in these times when people tend to stay glued to the news. To avoid the spending very late nights on Netflix and other sources of the online entertainment. Try and follow the age-old maxim for a good physical and mental health. Early to bed, early to rise keeps us healthy and wise. It's an old quotation. Definitely it will follow or it will be very much better for you in this COVID pandemic. And the fourth point, which is important, practice meditation. So meditation is an excellent stress buster. You have more time for the meditation practice, or you can learn any simple meditation techniques online. Avoid attempting intricate meditation practice that need a teacher or residential course. But any simple meditation exercise can help the mind to be stress-free. So my dear friends or my subscriber, or if you are very new to my channel, so please subscribe the channel and try to follow all these 4 instructions through which you can avoid or remove the negative thoughts in this COVID pandemic. If you like my video, please share to others so that everyone can get the benefit by this video. And if you like, so please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the new notifications. Thank you so much.